Today we will discuss VI characteristics of PN junction diode. As in the previous videos we discussed about PN junction diode, what is intrinsic and extrinsic diodes, and now we are going to study VI characteristics of the diode. Now in this video we will discuss about the forward bias characteristics. As we know, the condition for forward bias is when the positive of the source is connected to the positive of the diode and negative terminal of the source is connected to the negative of the diode, then we call it as a forward bias condition. Now to get V and I, we have to make arrangement like this, in which the milliammeter is used for the forward bias and which is always in the series with this diode. So this is PN junction diode. Now this voltmeter is connected parallel to this one and the source which is connected through the rheostat. So this is the arrangement for the characteristics of PN junction diode. Initially, no current flows through the circuit. Okay, this is because of the barrier potential. As we discussed in the previous video that the barrier potential for germanium is 0.3 and the barrier potential for silicon is 0.7 volt. So till this voltage there is no current through the circuit. This is continued till the forward bias does not become greater than the potential barrier voltage. When it is greater than the barrier potential voltage, the forward current increases till A point in the forward characteristics corresponding to the potential barrier. This appears to be Ni. So this is known as Ni voltage. This is known as Ni voltage. So in the forward biasing, the current increases linearly and rapidly above the Ni voltage, and the variation in the current with increase of the forward bias is extremely slow below the Ni voltage. So initially there is no current through the circuit, and after Ni voltage it is rapidly increased. In the PN junction diode, the depletion region due to this diode becomes thin. As a result, the potential drop across the junction decreases, which leads the low resistance of PN junction diode in the forward bias condition, and we get the current in the milliamperes. So these are the characteristics for the forward bias.